Hey Epic Kids, hey Epic Moms! Today we're going to be doing a very fun craft with items that you already have at home. We're going to be making a mobile of the solar system. The first item you're going to need is an umbrella, one that you're willing to ruin because you are going to have to take the material off of it. You're going to need some craft balls to be used as your planets. If you don't have craft balls, that's okay. You can use old Christmas bulbs as well. You're going to need some sort of string to tie your planets to your umbrella. So you can use dental floss, fishing line, thread, any type of string you have at home. And then you're also going to need some paper clips, some markers, and some crayons to decorate your planets as well. So the first thing we're going to need to do is take the fabric off of the umbrella. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the fun part has begun. We are going to make our planets. We have got some paints here, some markers. We've got our solar system guidebook here so that they can look out for guides.
Yeah.
So go ahead and get making your planets.
Okay, I'll take this one. Okay, our planets are all dried and we are ready to assemble our solar system mobile. So we've got our broken umbrella here and we have tied strings to each one of the ends. So the next step we're going to do is take our paper clip. Okay, that's good. Then we're going to take our string and put it through that little piece of the paper clip that's sticking out of the top, and we're going to just tie it on so that we've got our planets hanging. We have our sun here, and then we've got a string hanging from the middle that we will tie that planet to. So let's go ahead and tie on some planets. Okay, well, this is my giant ice planet. I'll tie on little Pluto. What? Seems like what I just did was I just knocked out my...
And tie it on. And we're going to do that with all of our planets. Ta-da! There we go. We have our solar system mobile. You can hang that from the ceiling and you can look at all the planets. You can also flip it up this way. And there you have it, our umbrella solar system. I hope you enjoyed our craft today. Please subscribe for more fun. Thanks. Have a great day.
Bye.